Just because your compressor is under pressure doesn't mean you have to be. PlannedCARE by Ingersoll Rand takes the guesswork and paperwork out of maintenance and equipment service. With PlannedCARE, we help make routine maintenance worry-free so you can focus on running your business. Our PlannedCARE specialists schedule maintenance when it's convenient for you and correct problems before they cause damage. With a PlannedCARE agreement, you'll also receive 10 years of extended errand coverage for your oil-flooded compressors, plus a number of cost-wise advantages: predictable maintenance expenses for long-term savings, improved equipment performance, efficiency, and reliability, genuine OEM parts and proven field expertise, world-class diagnostic and vibration analysis to assess system condition, and maintenance scheduled around your operations with no surprises. PlannedCARE also provides the peerless experience of Ingersoll Rand's factory-certified and trained technicians and customer support that has made us an industry leader for 150 years.